Hold on. This is from Dazi TV.
Action. Now I'm going to talk about. So a couple of weeks ago, I think a couple of months, I got that information that when someone say Mamma Akosua Serwaa Ghana no file early say letters of administration more letters of administration no so obi free mu na say 1 year well till you obi free mu na say pa kono 1 year well then a letter of administration will be given to obi say na be ye na jeopardy o ja de chi no obi to me ahwe chire de adiama no but be na me ka some for bi say adeje Mamma Akosua Serwaa yin kra wa ma nteba ne say na afi de jeopardy de be file early impa me ka na ho asem yon ti Ghana ha o ti Germany. Now, also in the system, as Sabri Akrepono, a denial of justice a sank and a second. Into an audience or Germany, oh, anyone who's on let's say the other party can go ahead and file for the early, and you know everything is possible in Ghana here, and got the permission and manage the assets, and never who company be a Japan company, a China, they finish them. So for me, I was one of the guys at the Bianami can say. One of the best decisions, apart from all the decisions I was taking in her life, is for her to come and see her lawyer to go and file for the early, knowing very well that you already challenged the outcome of the High Court judgment. I hope I say, and you appeal no one some the outcome some and I was of the opinion say that was the best decision Mamma Akosua Serwaa take here. I know a lot of people were disagreeing with her, say I didn't know or Babe filing for early, knowing very well say court I can say you don't want to loom by jail with you or me and I may say you guys don't know. Sometimes when the system is against you, you have to also think smart. And one of the ways I mean this of thinking smart.
This is the blogger Dazi TV or Okasama Lawyer Kusi. And then most of the time, he's the one that interviews Lawyer Kusi. So he's telling you what actually transpired at the court. Almost say, Yabo Odo Broni, caveat, whatever it is. This is the narrative it's giving. So you listen.
It's for her to go ahead and file for the early for the first time. So the one farmer, which means that nobody can also go and file for the early without her consent, because she's the surviving spouse of Charles Kojofosu. And in the affidavit, and so she was asked, and she said, you know what the court said, the person Nippon free no Jairu me, but Yemen American court in this, and just will be cancer much and also call what can the same to that Pakon. But Ghana Francis our statement Nasi. I'm also partners, I special lawyer could see I misleading. I'm not can say
the guy doesn't speak facts and all the things that
he's saying. The is because of a problem. You can't say. Is it Charlene and Erica and Ebisa?
Charlene said he lacks Charlene, he lacks credibility.
No. Say. Later, me bought this particular voice. They say yeka. They will say so. We yena yeka. But if it's also the same thing is also coming from their side, then you know so that is the truth. Because yes, Sir Alex, explain your chamo severally. You don't want to take it, but this one is coming from somebody that is so close to Lawyer Kusi and as a speech for Lawyer Kusi. So if the person says it, then probably you know say this is where the facts lies, but. It's the other people, no, and no more can say, let me even forward it. The part I made penny is just at the ending of it. So let's
talking about it. When they went to court,
so when they went to court,
and they want to argue about say the double lawyers wanted some case in community with Kumasi. Okay, if I'm right, so the court in Emma Hokai, Nanka Elena, you do Kumasi no, you do Kumasi court to Banka if I'm right. And a court in the council there be court in Bua Assembly council there be they will still have a right to be assembly Kumasi the jurisdiction of person no. I have not had the opportunity to read the entire judgment based on what the court said. But the outcome they say, yeah, my whole kind and my own fast 7 Kumasi and fan crack. It is not possible. So they lost. And somebody actually said, imagine some of the court could include Kasabri also life is also. Hey, say, but and nobody will be until one simple break. They want to court to challenge that decision. No, they want to appeal. They appealed that decision, said no. They wanted to force their way to make sure that they will get the case back to Accra. I don't know why they were still insisting that the court should grant them that permission to bring the case to Accra. So they went for an appeal, and that appeal too, they lost. So twice they lost all that process just to bring the appeal to Accra. I don't know why, because every court is a court. Every court is a court. So why were you still okay? Maybe it's within the purview, it's within the law to sometimes change the jurisdiction. But if you know you have a case, you don't even care. I said, I'm fond to be about no, but so that we share Madrid or your friends say your friends say Santiago Bernabeu. Ghana, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about where you are. The same football field mean I was born also. Sometimes when you are the fear and the supporters and so now let's zoom.
So that is exactly what happened at court. Charlene, do you understand? And you know, it is just you can say a transfer of the case from Accra to Kumasi, and not mami or broni lawyers. No, they just wanted to change jurisdiction. That's all. And the court and they said they be opposite the assembly of Kumasi. That is all that happened at court. And you know, okay. Is there any other question again?
Yeah, I understand now. And the second one is, let's assume say the court no I'm granted a friend the court no I grant mami Akosua Serwaa. I just want to say
on say asem court ye nsan court no say let me can what you say e say create more confusion. Why?
Already just a little Pacho.
Well, why are you assuming?
No, like I want to know, say
you don't have to. They make out as yes, I know what sign court no, and now man could be confused no. I think
that's now walk on. But so yeah, west or be some saying that they say no. Say the case libe Kumasi, and I didn't account their favor of
Mammy.
I think
Madam,
I said the man will be too for good dependent a month when he say. I'm the best say about Dobroni cave at Neguno. And only they already chase us and then you know my boy Gunemum say and fast and never Kumasino. And on our man just and them saying about so I want to be a Kwama almost said Uncle
and come out be out.
And come out be out.
So anything person yet chilling say as I enter because a man will be there. Come about a Kwama just a case now you Dr. But say and cast on a Karabeka Kumasino. And yes, I Kwama will be a until I'm in person to have a audio way. The confusion is so much. The course or court and say. As I'm on Barbecan on the Bruni lawyer say, Omunia Seminum Accra. On the course or copre, and you say, dear Semin Druce, yet the assembly of Kumasi and I say the quackra. Okobisa court say, young man of Quana Munia Seminumra. And a judge saw my coin. And also,
the win for anybody?
No, win for anybody. Omuka, only will be playing at the
Bibina and a judge near Mawana.
Say, Omuka, see, and fast and Cotamali.
Win, your mom, father, welcome. Win, Momo.
Mammy, say, Omuka, see, and fast and Cotamali. And Odobroni lawyer, see, and Fanko Kumas, a young Fanko Accra. And you can't 70 years and a judge and say, the Bian Fanko Tamalia. Gambaton, winning.
Judge, no.
Oh, Debbie, in common now when because almost see Fanko Tamale.
I'm just so say a judge and choose where before.
And Odobroni lawyer see and Fanko Accra.
Yeah.
And it's a judge in the case of the being in Kumas and Fanko Tamalea. Or Metimaka only a winning because you're the Yasam no Cotamale. But we man pressure, Odobroni lawyer say, if you wouldn't, Mamma on Tikumase, there be a better lawyer flight now back. If you won't cano.
Nipa one say account that's nipa the man is also man.
Eh bia baby nipa no wi no high court e ba ko pe Ghana. Branches na o ba bia. Nti high court bi etimi ka asem bia. The make out here say. Lawyer no was looking for be an convenience.